how to export Webflow code. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Webflow site's code in just about 5 minutes. So let's jump right in. First, head over to the Webflow website. On the home page, you'll see the login option. Click on it and choose your preferred method to sign in. For the fastest experience, I recommend using Google Login and then selecting your account to continue. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, pick the site you want to export and open its overview page. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice the Export Code button. That's exactly what you need. Before clicking, there's something important to know. Code export isn't included with every Webflow plan. If you don't see the option, it likely means you're on a free plan and you'll need to upgrade to a paid one to unlock this feature. If your plan supports it, go ahead and click the Export button. You'll then be asked to confirm the settings like language preferences. After that, click Download and Webflow will package your site's code into a zip file. You can now use it as a backup, hand it over to developers, or host it somewhere else. Just remember, some advanced Webflow features like CMS and dynamic content won't work out of the box unless your hosting supports them. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Webflow site's code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.